Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ranch dip full guide. Gather 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup buttermilk, herbs, garlic, salt, and pepper, and measure ingredients precisely. Combine dry herbs with the wet base first to avoid clumping. Whisk thoroughly until smooth and tasting balanced. Chill the dip at least 30 minutes so flavors meld, then adjust seasoning before. Start by placing mayonnaise and sour cream in a bowl and whisking until smooth. Pour in 1/2 cup buttermilk slowly while stirring to get your preferred thickness. Fold in herbs, garlic, and seasonings, then taste and tweak salt or pepper as needed. Cover and chill the dip for at least 30 minutes so the flavors develop. Serve chilled with fresh vegetables, chips, or as a spread for sandwiches and wraps. For lighter ranch, swap mayonnaise for Greek yogurt and keep the same herbs for a tangy profile. Add heat with 1 tsp hot sauce or 1/2 tsp cayenne if you like spicy dips. To boost depth, prepare the dip the night before and allow it to rest in the fridge so herbs fully infuse the base. Always taste before serving and adjust salt or acidity with a squeeze of lemon if it tastes flat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.